How to find Binance Pay ID on Binance app or website. So open the Binance here. Now access your wallet, right? So you will usually find it here. You can just go and click on overview and it will show your estimate assets and everything here. Right now here you will get each and everything here located in the bottom right side corner of the app or in the website on the top right. In your wallet, look for funding wallet option at the top menu and select it. Now here we will just go to the funding here and it's available right now. Now tap on pay option, find and tap on pay option within the funding wallet section. This will display your Binance ID, right? And this is really important because it will help you to know. Now to find your specific Binance Pay ID, tap on gear icon settings in the top right corner of the screen, which is settings. Right now here, if you wish to share your PID, you can easily copy it from the screen. Additionally, you can generate a QR code for easier sharing by tapping on the receive option, right? So this is really important. You can just go and check this out and you will find it. Thanks for watching.